His Excellency Pierre Nkurunziza, the former president of Burundi. May his soul rest in peace.
So, as I said in the book, to salute his contribution to Burundi and to East Africa. It is a sad loss because he was a young person. So we are very sorry. We just came. We cannot add much, but we just come to say pole. So sorry, hatuna maneno mengi isipokuwa kusema pole peke yake.